actually, it makes it look good because it's been like already freshly pre-painted, like.
Oh yeah, we're painting the walls. They started fighting over this piece of plastic, and they've been fighting for a while now. It might stop soon, but I don't know. Just wanted to record some of it. Ooh. Give her. Ow. Oh, you got a big butt. Get out of the action a little bit. I think I'm messing up Gooper and her will play.
What are you doing?
I'm recording him. Look at what they did to that piece of plastic.
Oh, yeah.
They've been fighting over it.
I wouldn't have stopped for that interview. It only took me about an hour to do this. Yeah. I'm proud of myself, self-heals. I can do it painting.
Oh my God, Chloe!
I like the sound of that fucking thing.
Wow. Oh. Dang. Ugh. I think somebody crossed the line.
Sandy cat. You don't see her do that very often. You're chasing each other.
Oh, I can see him kind of. Ooh! Oh no! Uh-oh. Look. Now it's time to... He knows it's time to be fat. Boom, boom. Ba-da-da-da. Oh. He's so fat. I'm gonna end it on your face. Look, say goodbye.